Hello, little artists! Today we're drawing a fun and shiny sandcastle with glitter colors. So grab your marker and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay! First, I draw a big circle with a triangle on top. That's the tall tower of our castle. Next, I draw more towers on the sides, just like the first one. Now let's draw a cute little door in the middle. That's where our fairy tale friends can come in. At the bottom, I draw a zigzag line. That's the soft golden sand under the castle. Let's make the sky pretty. I draw some fluffy clouds and a bright sun in the corner. Now I draw a big square all around the picture, just like a pretty frame. Yay! The drawing is ready. Now it's time to color with glitter. I use pink for the tops of the towers. For the doors and windows, I pick green. So fresh and bright. Then I color the castle walls with yellow, so it shines like gold. I color the sand with brown, just like real beach sand. The clouds stay white, soft and puffy. And the sun gets a bright orange, so happy and warm. And for the sky, you can color it however you like. Use your favorite colors and have fun making it. Wow, our glittery sandcastle looks amazing. It's colorful, shiny, and full of magic. I hope you had fun making this with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art. See you next time. Bye.